Now we're coming to the preview of each and every sign for the weekly horoscope report. Preview. What is preview? Preview is a free content in which we extract one part of the premium content. In the premium content, we share with you 6 parts. Transit, conclusion part 1, conclusion part 2, task, precaution, chantings. These are 6 parts consist of premium content. So out of these 6 parts, we share with you one part, conclusion part 1, in the preview. These weekly horoscope reports are quite important for those people who are next 7 days, the important events are happening, or next 7 days, if they're going for any kind of an interview or very important meeting or negotiation or dealing, and some events are happening in the coming week. Some timing and the days are important, and you need to make a decision or choices, or you have to make a move in the coming week, or the scenario is developing in the next 7 days and you need to keep a close eye and watching that particular scenario, then you make a move. Weekly horoscope report which we are presenting with the premium content is very thorough, give you environment of the whole week and what you can do in that particular week. The prediction is there, positive and negative both ways, but task, precaution, chanting, the real asset to you can change the equation of the whole week if you want to. Prediction clarity is there, crystal clear understanding is there. Then what you can do in that particular equation is your call. This weekly horoscope report which we produce is an applied astrology horoscope report, not like a only prediction. Through task, precaution, chanting, you can maneuver the astrological equation if you want to. These are not suitable for everybody, but anybody who needs it. Medicine is not for everybody. Medicine for the patient. So end of the day, our weekly horoscope report, who need this horoscope report, who need the help and support and guidance for those people, for all of you. But I'd like to share with all of you, this is what we do. Every preview have a supporting statement in the end, in which we define categorically what are these planets are doing for you. But end of the day, if you want a premium content, visit my website, prakashastrologer.com, and take a full advantage of the premium content. But otherwise, best of luck to all of you. Gemini, weekly brief forecast, week commencing 25th October till 31st October. Gemini, this coming week for you. Gemini, Jupiter, Saturn, 8th house. Look after your health, look after your marriage. Rahu's position is 12th house. Beware of cheating, deception, fraud. Watch your investment or speculation. Venus, Ketu in 6th house. Keep a close eye on your health as well as your enemies. Sun, Mars position 5th house. Refrain from foul temper, refrain from aggression. Watch your creativity, please. Mercury position 4th house. Sometimes you can be all over the place. Sometimes peace of mind can be missing. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, prakashastrologer.com, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week, like moon transit effect. That will define you, your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report define you what astrological tasks you must do in the time of your need, what precautions you must implement in the next 7 days to save your skin, what sacred chanting you must exercise in the next 7 days to achieve your supremacy. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Gemini weekly conclusion. Conclusion part 1, Gemini. In this coming week, most of your time, you'll be developing a lot of planning. Most of the time, conclusion part 1 in Gemini, you're developing lots of planning for the future. You'll be thinking very thoroughly. You'll have a project in your hand and you'll be constantly thinking to prove everything what you're thinking. Anything regarding business, anything regarding your career, how to make a lot more money, that's your focus. Gemini, professionally, financially, you will come across lots of new opportunities, new ideas. Gemini, you will be participating in a lot of social events, religious events, mingling with a lot of new people. You will have a lot of planning to go abroad. You have a planning to go abroad, traveling abroad, something to do with abroad, that's in your mind and focus. You have to think very thoroughly what you really want to achieve, what you want to do, how you want to do, and end up thinking about all the pros and cons of before you implementing your thoughts in the real-time system. You have to think thoroughly.